Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the storage interface and locating the item you want removed. This is where intent becomes action. Once you see it, use the Interact key or right-click to select a stack, then choose Remove or Transfer. Make sure to check filters and search to avoid similar-looking items. Because Blocktail's stacks can look identical, visually confirm the icon and quantity before moving. Once selected, decide whether to drop, send to inventory, or delete using the on-screen options. Now you handle the actual transfer or deletion. If you want items out of storage but keep them, drag to your inventory or a nearby container. Use Shift-click or the quantity slider when removing partial stacks. If you intend permanent removal, select Discard or Destroy and read the confirmation. Blocktails warns about irreversible deletions. Make sure to check for linked storage or shared chests, because moving from a linked source can replicate changes elsewhere. After confirming, the UI will reflect updated counts immediately. Finish by verifying totals and making space for what matters. Open the chest again to confirm counts. If an item reappears or removal fails, check for linked chests, auto-sort rules, or pending server sync that can revert changes. These are the usual culprits. Make sure your connection is stable and autosave completed. As a troubleshooting tip, relog or restart the client before retrying. This forces a resync and usually clears ghost items, so you can remove them cleanly next attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.